Welcome back. Welcome to this particular course, LMS Web Design course. I'm so excited to have you here, and thank you so much for believing in us and for also enrolling for this particular course. Now, this is one thing I can guarantee you that at the end of this course, you will have gotten massive value for your money. You will have been able to create your LMS website and then conveniently host your courses and then set up your payment gateway so that you can receive payment when people enroll for your course. So this is all that we are going to achieve through this course. Now let's get you intimated with the course outline, things that you should expect in this particular course. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we have about 12 modules to take you through in this particular course. So the module 1, you're going to be learning introduction to learning management system. In module 2, you will learn WordPress domain and web hosting. In module 3, you are going to learn WordPress website installation. In module 4, you will learn starter template installation. In module 5, you will learn how to edit your website settings. Module 6, how to add product and certificate. Module 7, adding quizzes and assignment. Then module 8, how to set up your course setting for optimization. Then module 9, how to integrate your payment gateway. Module 10, how to set up your user login interface and add support group. Then module 11, creating your sales funnel. Then module 12, monetizing your skills. Now let me break this down for you so that you can have a comprehensive knowledge of what you stand to gain from this course. Now under introduction, you are going to be learning what is learning management system, how can you benefit, what are the benefits of learning management system, and who can benefit from this particular learning management system. Then in module 2, you are going to be learning about domain and web hosting. Here you are going to learn introduction to domain and web hosting, choosing a domain name and web hosting service, and then the best web hosting service providers that we have around. And now how you can search for your domain name, how you can get a domain and web hosting at a very cheaper price, then how you can actually work with free domain and web hosting for your practice. So we are going to be learning all of this. Then in module 3, we are going to be focusing on WordPress installation. Here you are going to learn introduction to CMS and WordPress. Then you will learn about benefits of WordPress. You will learn how to actually install WordPress using free web hosting, and then all the you will explore your WordPress, learn all the various features in your WordPress. Then finally, you are going to learn how to set up a transactional email so that you can use that to communicate with your learners. Then in module 4, you are going to be learning about starter template installation. So starter template is actually a template upon which you are going to be building your LMS website. So you will learn how you can install and activate the starter template, how you can edit the starter template, and how you can edit both the footer and the menu on the starter template. Then in module 5, you are going to be learning about how you can edit settings, that settings just such as the WordPress settings, the lender settings, and then the WooCommerce settings, so as for you to be able to optimize the website. Okay, and then in module 6, you are going to be adding your products, your courses, and also your certificate, and even automate your certificate such that when people are done with their course, the certificate is automatically issued to them. So you will learn how to do this. Then in module 7, you are going to be learning how you can add quizzes and assignments in order to enhance engagement and make learning to be very, very fun. Okay, then in module 8, you are going to be optimizing your course settings. So we are going to be adjusting some settings under our course settings to help us optimize the features there. And then in module 9, we are going to be looking at how we can integrate our payment gateway, how to integrate payment gateway. So The payment gateway is actually uh, some sort of payment methods that you are going to add to your website in order that when people enroll for your course, you get paid through this payment gateway. So you are going to be integrating that into your website. Then in module 10, we are going to be looking at two things. We are going to edit our user login interface. Now, this is an interface where your learners are directed to after they make payment, and then they access their login details in their email. So once they tap on that login details, it takes them to this interface, and then we want to actually structure it in such a way that it is learners friendly. Then we are also going to be setting up support groups so that your learners can actually learn from other learners and also interface with their instructors. Okay, and then in module 11 we are going to be looking at sales funnel. Now, sales funnel is just a powerful tool through which you can actually uh, boost your sales. Okay, so under this, we are going to be looking at how you can create your landing page. Well, this page is actually optimized to push people to enroll for your course. So you are going to learn how to do that. Then you will learn how to create your checkout page. So this is where people make payment. And then we are going to also learn how to create your thank you page. This is where people get their login details for them to be able to access their course. So we're going to be learning how to do all of that. Then in module 12, which is the last module, we are going to be learning about skill monetization. So we are going to be learning various ways by which you can actually monetize your skill. So, and we are going to round off this particular course with premium bonuses. So you are going to be getting a certificate of completion at the end of this course, and at the same time, you are going to be getting premium resources that will help you in creating this particular website. So all of this we are going to be looking at in this particular course. I am excited already, and I'm sure you are also excited. So see you in class, and thank you.